Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD PhD. Today is Thursday, February 25th, 2021. It is 8:22 and 2 seconds a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Today's research, measuring hemoglobin. So let's hop to it here. Measuring hemoglobin levels with AI microscope, microfluidic chips. A chip-based microfluidic AI-powered diagnostic platform could make medical diagnostics more affordable and accessible. Date February 23, 2021. Source American Institute of Physics. Summary. A complete blood count can help ascertain the health of a patient and typically includes an estimate of hemoglobin concentration, which can indicate several conditions, including anemia, polycythemia, and pulmonary fibrosis. Researchers describe an AI-powered imaging-based tool to estimate hemoglobin levels. The setup was developed in conjunction with a microfluidic chip and AI-powered automated microscope that was designed for deriving the total as well as differential counts of blood cells. One of the most performed medical diagnostic tests to ascertain the health of patients is a complete blood count, which typically includes an estimate of the hemoglobin concentration. The hemoglobin level in the blood is an important biochemical parameter that can indicate a host of medical conditions, including anemia, polycythemia, and pulmonary fibrosis. Often, medical diagnostic equipment capable of multi-parameter assessment, such as hematology analyzers, has dedicated subcompartments with separate optical detection systems. This leads to increased sample volume, as well as an increase in cost of the entire equipment. In this study, the researchers demonstrate the applicability of a system originally designed for the purpose of imaging can be extended towards the performance of biochemical tests without any additional modifications to the hardware unit, thereby retraining the cost and laboratory footprint of the original device. The hemoglobin testing solution is possible thanks to the design behind the microfluidic chip, a customized biochemical reagent, optimized imaging, and an imaging analysis procedure specifically tailored to enable the good clinical performance of the medical diagnostic tests. The data obtained from the microfluidic chip, in combination with an automated microscope, was comparable with the predictions of hematology analyzers. Pearson correlation of 0.99. The validation studies showed the methods meet regulatory standards, which means doctors and hospitals are likely to accept it. The automated microscope, which normally uses a combination of red, green, and blue LEDs, used only the green LED during the hemoglobin estimation mode. Because the optimized reagent, SDSHB, complex absorbs light in the green wavelength, chip-based microfluidic diagnostic platforms are on the verge of revolutionizing the field of healthcare. N-colorimetric biochemical assays are widely performed diagnostic tests. This paper lays a foundation and will also serve as a guide to future attempts to translate conventional biochemical assays onto a chip. From point of view of both chip design and reagent development, besides measuring hemoglobin in the blood, a similar setup with minor modifications could be used to measure protein content, cholesterol, and glycated hemoglobin. Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD PhD, on microbiology, bioinformatics, and pathophysiology. Well, hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.